say this is the post and this is the beam. We want to use all wood, and we want enough of a shelf for it to sit on to be solid, but we don't want to remove too much material from this post. At the same time, these things will have a sail tied to them, and I don't expect them to wiggle a lot, but what I don't want to do is this beam to come out of that post and fall on whoever's underneath. So what we're talking about doing is cutting just a pretty shallow shelf, like in 2 inches, that's twice the width of this piece. At the top half, it's just fully open with complete clearance to slide in, but at the bottom half, it has a dovetail mortise that matches a dovetail tenon. So this tenon piece, for looking from above, will go outward. So when that slides down inside of that matching piece, it'll lock it in place because it'll be wider on the inside than at the outside there. So in the end, hopefully we'll have a dovetail joint that can slide in and pop down in place.